You know what's really frustrating? Opening your CRM and finding complete chaos. Duplicate contacts, phone numbers in random formats. I'll show you how to set up a data quality process at 3 levels, from basic to AI-powered, where the system fixes the data by itself. When you're just starting to figure out data quality, the first step is to stop creating more chaos. Start by preventing duplicate contacts in your CRM. How? Super simple. Set up Zapier so that when a new contact comes in, it checks if the same email or phone number already exists. If it finds a match, it marks it as a duplicate and sends a notification to the manager in Slack. Something like, contact John Smith already exists in CRM, check for duplicates. Next, format the data. Add an action in Zapier to automatically format phone numbers to a standard format. Emails, convert them to lowercase right away. And that way you avoid confusions like this. Also for Gmail, it is smart to remove dots at the beginning of the address. All these emails go to the same inbox. And don't forget to clean up any text after a plus sign. It is all the same email, just with a different tags. Zapier can automatically remove this. To keep data fresh, set up an automatic email campaign every 6 months. Send something like this: "Hi Jack, can you check if your contact information is still up to date?" If the client reply, the data in CRM gets updated. And if you don't have a CRM yet, just log leads in Google Sheets. Zapier can handle that too. Now let's make the process smarter with a more advanced automation. For example, if a client submits a new request with a different email but the same phone number, Zapier will recognize it as a duplicate and won't create a new contact. If the phone number is in wrong format, Zapier can verify it and update it in CRM automatically. What if data get lost between teams, like marketing handoff 500 leads, but only 420 shows up in CRM? Zapier can instantly send a Slack notification. 80 leads are missing, check the integration. To keep data fresh, set up an automatic follow-up. If a contact is over 6 months old, the CRM can send an email asking to confirm if the data is still current. No reply? The system marks the contact as inactive and includes it in a report. No manual work, it all happens automatically. And now for the real magic. AI can spot duplicates even if the data is not an exact match. If the phone number is the same but email is slightly different, AI figures it out and merges the records and cleans up the data. AI can even predict potential issues. If it sees that 30% of leads this month are missing phone numbers, it knows something wrong with the website form and instantly notifies the manager. It also fixes mistakes automatically. It checks phone numbers and emails, pulls missing information from open sources, and updates the CRM. For example, if a client didn't fill out all the company details, AI can scan public databases and fill in the blanks. And if it notices an unusual pattern, like a spike in leads without emails, it sends an alert. This week there is an increase in leads with incomplete data. Check the source. And the coolest part, reports. Every day, AI generates a report showing how many duplicates were removed, how much data was fixed, and where errors happen most often. These reports go straight to Notion or Slack, and managers just need to read them and take actions.